Hello, everyone. So I was challenged to address platform security in 5 minutes, and that is what I'm going to try to deliver today. And I have a funny story to start with. So when I was preparing this presentation, I was doing this slide, and my kid, my son, my 6-year-old, came to me. He looked at the safe, and he asked a really smart question. He said, "Daddy, if all your money is inside your app, why do banks need safes anymore to keep the money?" Yeah, and it was a good way to train to this presentation, to try to translate complex topics into a 6-year-old language. But I realized while doing that this is not simple. It's not a simple way it's not a simple task to achieve, because security is complex. Today, banks and applications, they have many safes. They have many steel doors. And while we are not addressing cloud security, infrastructure security, if you even focus just on the platform security, you can see why this is really important, because the data is consistent throughout the various sources. It's at this level, at the application security level, where most of the breaches will happen. And attackers, nowadays, they will not blow up safes. They will trick you as a user. They will trick the digital banking receptionist. They will try to exploit these many steel walls. And this is why we need to approach it and to address it. And here at ebankIT, we have, and I did take some creative liberties in here, so I hope the product guys don't kill me. So this is from a user perspective. We have a platform security approach, okay? So we need to have a secure code base. So the code that we ship needs to be secure, needs to be tested. We need to have, of course, all of you understand, an identity-first access, and we need to maintain trust throughout the user journey for the customers. Besides all of that, we need to have in-app guardrails. Some are more direct, some are more indirect, and we'll touch on some of those in a minute. And of course, we are not security experts. We are not going to build everything ourselves, so we strongly rely on our most extreme security partners to complement the offers that we already have on the base product. So, talking about the code, the company, the security needs to start in the processes, okay? So we have a number of certifications. We are ISO 27001 certified. We have a SOC 2 Type 2 report and CMMI Dev 2 certification. We follow, and our development team follows the secure coding playbooks for OWASP and all the major providers, from Microsoft, from Google, from Apple. You use multiple automated test tools, okay, embedded in our process, and we have regular assessments from external certified entities that are constantly testing our product. Besides all of that, we have 65 customers, so we have 65 instances in production. So this platform is being assessed at least by 65 times a year by different entities. So it's surviving the challenges of the production environment. And just a side note on that, well, even though we take all these measures, incidents do happen, okay? I have seen a couple of those in the time I have been in ebankIT, security or otherwise, and I can tell you that the response from the team is massive. So it's all the way from the senior developers to the board members. People don't sleep until issues are solved. And this is something I have not seen in any other company. So I guess I skipped some slides. How do I get back? Okay. Yeah. So This is not going to be a comprehensive list of what we deliver within the platform in terms of security. It's just some of the features that can be used for that purpose, but for device management. Let's say I bought a new phone and I want to revoke the trust in the old phone. You can go inside your app or inside your IB and do that. Security alerts, so I changed my password or a new device is linked to my account, I will be notified when that happens. Personalization as a security feature. Yeah, so an app that is personalized, that has my account names, my dashboard layout, my own widgets, is a little bit harder to clone. Adaptive flow, so we can connect to a risk engine, and let's say I'm doing a transaction in a different location or from a different device that I typically use. I will be requested a new OTP or a new second-factor authentication. Business logic for retail and for corporate users. So retail users can manage limits, and corporate users can manage complex user entitlements, complex approval workflows, and all of that. And Command Center, one of its use cases is also related to security, so failed transactions can be tracked and the relevant people can be notified within the bank's infrastructure to handle that. And as I said, we do not cover everything, so we rely on partners for full security, full coverage on the security spectrum. Many of them are here. People that do AML, that do fraud detection, that do risk analysis, risk scoring, so we can bring in all of those to complement the security offering of the platform. But we do not lock into these vendors, so you can bring your own vendor, you can bring your own security solution, and the platform will be flexible enough to integrate it and to put it into production. So as a closing remark, and I am in time, I'm not here to lecture you about the advantages of having a secure platform. You all know that a lot better than I do, but I think the main takeaway here is that security is not a one-time purchase. Security is not something that you buy and you have security. This needs to be an ongoing process. So it needs to be embedded in every code shipment, in every business decision, in every action that you take within the platform. So I think the key message here is that we are here for the long run. So ebankIT understands it very well, and we are here, we are committed to build this relationship with you, with our customers, with our partners, and to bring more secure apps to the public. Thank you very much.